Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today you get to see me in my stamp pad rather than just my fingers. But today I just wanted to share with you a update because of course Stampin' Up's new catalog is coming out in June. So that means that with new products coming, old products have to go. Now, that's not all of the old products, but we do know for sure that the in colors that are the 2018 to 2020 in colors, we know that those are going to go. I mean, it's in the name. 2020 is the end. So I do want to let you guys know that these products will be retiring, and you definitely want to get them before they're gone because they're also usually the first things to sell out once the retiring list comes out, and that is now. So don't forget that these in colors are retiring. That includes the ink pads, and of course all those in colors are Call Me Clover, Grapefruit Grove, Lovely Lipstick, Blueberry Bushel, and Pineapple Punch. So the ink pads are going, but more importantly, the re-inkers are going. So if you already have these ink pads, make sure to get the re-inkers so that you can continue using these ink pads for years to come by being able to refill the ink color after you've stamped and stamped and stamped your heart out because these colors are really gorgeous. This one might make me cry. I really love Lovely Lipstick and I use it a lot. But anyway, new colors are coming out and I'm sure they'll be fabulous too. So not only the ink pads and the re-inkers, but everything using these colors. So a couple other things that are retiring for sure are the Stampin' blends. So there's Stampin' blends in Call Me Clover, Lovely Lipstick, and Pineapple Punch. So we know that those will also be retiring. The cardstock is also retiring. I just have Lovely Lipstick here, but of course all 5 colors of cardstock are retiring. There's also this gorgeous grosgrain ribbon in each of the colors, and all of those will be retiring. And then of course the 2018 to 2020 in color designer paper that has fun, fabulous, like kind of basic, what I would consider prints. And so that pack is retiring. So you definitely want to get your hands on these products before they're completely gone because like I said, they usually are some of the first things that sell out. And once the retiring list goes live, then the items are while supplies last. So get these items before they're gone. Let me know which one your favorite one is in the comments below because I'd love to hear from you and see which one that you might cry over. And if you cry, it's okay. It's okay. We all will cry together. Maybe I'll just take this one upstairs and put it under my pillow or something. So anyway, let me know which one your favorite one is in the comments below. I will leave links in the description box showing each of these with a link to them so that you can get that as well as a full list of the retiring products. So you can check out all of those and get those before they are gone. And don't forget that all orders of $75 or more will earn my free stamp set of the month. The free stamp set of the month for April is the Under My Umbrella because April showers bring May flowers. So yeah, the one in May will probably be flowers because I love flowers. So anyway, check that out. Of course, don't forget to check out my blog, laurastamppad.com, for lots of great inspiration and stamping tips and tricks. And I'll see you guys next time. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.